Tough Steel Productions here. Show you guys after we de-winterize sink. If you have a problem like this, where your metering faucet just continuously flows, I'll show you what to do. First thing we want to do is find where you can remove this cap. The issue is actually right here in the stem. So follow me while we do that. This particular model is a Chicago faucet that you can see right there. It is a metering faucet. So as you can see, I already got a 5/64 Allen in there. So basically all you're going to do is back it out. It's got a set screw in there. You're going to back it out enough to where this is just going to lift off, just like that. So as you can see, we got a stem right here, and it is actually locked up pretty tight. So what we're going to do is just take off this whole base right here and just replace the whole stem. This is the metering stem. So obviously you can see there's no water or pressure on it right now. So let's go to the next episode. Next, we're going to just take some crescent wrench here and just loosen this up. It was really tight, so I went ahead and loosened it up on my own. And just simply unscrew this from the threads, just like that. As you can see, there is a lower cartridge down here below, and then we're going to replace the upper cartridge. The best thing to do is pull this out and check and make sure there's nothing in the line or stuck down in there. They will have a little basket. It's probably hard to see down there, but there is a little basket, like a strainer basket. You pull that out, just like so. And just check and make sure it's all free and clear. For observing this, I noticed that the lower cartridge here is actually broke, and it's hard to see unless I pop this off, but I'm going to twist this around here so you could see that it has actually snapped off there. It's not even holding, so we're going to have to replace. And the best thing to actually do anyways, if you're going to replace the stem, you might as well replace the lower cartridge as well. So we're going to do that. We order from Equiparts here at the school, and this is basically identical to what was in there. So there's the lower cartridge that you can see right there. It even gives you the part number and everything. And then here is the upper. So basically we keep these in stock. I just had to go pick them up in our supply building. But there's what we need. So I'm gonna get these installed, and we'll see the results at the end. All right, so the new basket strainer, got something on it there. Spider web goes down in there first. You'll probably have some water down in there, so you want to make sure you push that strainer down in the hole. Just like that. Next, you're going to take your lower cartridge, place it in there. Should just slide right in, just like that. And then next, you're going to have a washer. It's going to go over top of that. All right, and then you place your new stem and get it all tightened down. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll put the cap back on that you see right there, turn the water on, and test it out. All right, so everything is put back on there and in place. Last thing we got to do is just put the cap on. Normally you don't have to mess with these. These are already preset in the factory. You can make adjustments with this. This is basically your timing delay. So we're going to leave it pretty much right where it was set. And set our cap back on there, get this tightened up, and basically watch this. All right, state minimum requirement by the health department is at least 10 seconds of metering from the water. So basically that's about 10 seconds right there. We're going to leave it alone. And ta-da, there's the how-to on changing out the cartridge for Chicago faucet, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one, how to.